Then turn right.
Morning guys, May 25th, 2020. This one there I got a call for to check on a lady's AC. So I'm gonna go over there and run it. Not crazy hot here. It's probably, I don't know, 65, 68, something like that. It's warm enough to start checking these.
Keep right to the road. Then turn right.
We'll go over there and give it to you. How you doing? See what's going on with it.
Turn right on State Road.
You'll go give it to you. How you doing, Miss Molly? Oh yeah, we're gonna go give it to you. How you doing? Yeah, we're gonna go give it to you. How you doing? 58. So you in it? They said there was some water under the unit?
Yeah.
Alright. Looks dry. Water on the right, unless this is overflowing maybe. It's plugged in. It looks dry as a bone. It looks dry in there. I'm gonna check the filter. It's a little 2-ton Goodman. 58 inside. A wet bulb. She's got another filter here for me, so. Queer setup we've got here, but I didn't put the system in. She's a little dirty. She's a little crusty there, Mr. Grinch. You want to put the reinforcement towards the fans. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's crusty. I did put my sticker on here, but I didn't install the system. Can't take credit for this beast. Check the coil. Check the voltage on the coil. Check the ohms on that coil. $19.8, so that's fine. The coil should be fine. We'll check the capacitor. I don't even know what size that is. I'm thinking it's a 35.5. $35.5. And this is purple. Brown. Brown and yellow. Let's see what we got there. Microfarads. So between common. Oh. Just trying to start this thing for some reason. Let's see. Alright, so between, should have 5. I got 4.9. Between common. Should have 35, and we got 30. $34.5, so that's good. That's fine. Alright, so the yellow goes on the herm, and then the brown goes on the fan. We should be able to start it now and check it. Everything tests good. Why would you wear gloves? I can never figure it out. I can never figure out why somebody would wear gloves. I can never figure it out. We'll start it up inside. Check it. Alright, so it's a piston, so it's 58 inside, right? So, and it's 65 outside. 16-degree superheat is what we're looking for. 58 wet bulb, 65 outside. 16. I'll let it run for a little while. Let it run for about 15. That last is kind of low there. I don't like that too much. I gotta add a little bit. I didn't have a good connection on my clamp. This is kind of low right here. See how this is kind of low? It's kind of a cool day. 65. On a warm day that would be higher. So I can't put any more in, because if I put any more Freon in, the superheat will come down lower than I am. I'm supposed to be 16. See, I'm already kind of low here. My subcool looks good. I gotta leave it there. That's the best it's gonna get right there. On a warm day, this will be higher. Alright, so she's fine. I didn't have my clamp. It was like in between two fittings. It wasn't fitting on there good. So I'm going to leave it right where it is. I'm going to leave it right where it is. It's good enough for this neighborhood. That's the best it's going to get. It's a little bit overcharged, but you see how low the suction is? So we gotta kind of rob from Peter to pay Paul, right? You ever hear that saying? Fill this is up a little bit. It's not all full of crustaceans. Thought they would have had a bigger box than that, but